In this video, we'll do an example like problem number 26 in the extra practice for 11.7 through 12.5, the assignment that's going to help you prepare for the exam. So as before, I won't do the exact same problem, but I'll do something very similar. So let's say I had an XY coordinate system, I should say, like that, right? Let's say I'll mark out some units, so -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then -1, -2, -3. So 3 units in all directions, right? Let's say I had um, something, I'm making similar to the one that's there. Kind of similar. Let's say we had a graph like this. Okay. Um, and the question is asking for the absolute extreme. I think the problem in the extra practice it asks for only the maximum, but we'll talk about both. So if I want the absolute maximum, and it says find the location, so that's an ordered pair. So the answer choices are not intervals, they're ordered pairs. So the absolute maximum, the highest point, well, that would be this guy. Sure, this guy is a local maximum, but when we talk about the global maximum or the absolute maximum, we want the maximum for the entire graph, everything we see. Okay, so that'd be that orange highlighted spot. So I just need to write down, well, what are the coordinates for that? Well, the coordinates for this guy, the x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3. So that would be the absolute or global maximum. Okay. Um, if we're looking for the minimum, because on the exam, it might be a variation on this, might be different. You might be asked for the minimum. Well, that's that guy. So although this guy here is a local minimum, it's not the lowest point overall for the entire graph. So I need the ordered pair for this one. That'd be -3 for the x-coordinate, -1 for the y-coordinate. So that's going to be the global minimum location. Just to highlight this, going back to the maximum for a moment, the location is really the ordered pair. Um, in some formats, some books will refer to the x-coordinate as the location, but the way the MyMathLab problem is set up, it's an ordered pair. This is not an interval, right? This 1 to 3 does not refer, oops, does not refer to this interval 1 to 3. That's not what it means. In this context, it's an ordered pair, okay? If the problem we're asking just for the maximum value, what is the absolute maximum? Then that would be 3. 3 is the quantity, it's the height level, right? 1 is horizontally where are you, 3 is vertically where are you. So if you're just asked for the amount of the maximum, well, then that's just the 3. And you're not going to see it where the answer choices have a mixture of ordered pairs with numbers, lone numbers. Like you would not see, if the problem said basically, to paraphrase, find the absolute maximum, right? Under this graph, you would not see like answer choice A is 3, answer choice B is 1, answer choice C is 1, 3, answer choice D is 3, 1. You're not going to see that because then it's confusing. Well, which do we want? Do we want this guy or do we want this guy? Because those both refer to the maximum. One refers to the location, one refers to the ordered pair. And then really also, this one refers to the horizontal location. So this would be very confusing. So don't worry about that. That's not going to happen. You're going to be given either only ordered pairs, which I think is what will happen on the exam, because it is randomized. It's different. If this problem makes it on the exam, right? It might be one of the ones that is not on the exam quite. It's just it's similar to the exam problem. But even then, it's randomized, but the format will stay the same. You'll still have ordered pairs. So don't worry about this kind of confusion. That's not going to happen.